sheriff's skin and mucosa of this whole wild, wild west, and I protect this whole system by keeping people out. So, some of my services have acidity to help keep people out, and my keratinized epithelium is no big deal because it's already dead. So, well, what happens when I take a trip to the saloon and get in a little bit of trouble and meet up with Mr. Pathogen here?
Hey, Sheriff.
Staying out of trouble, big guy?
Boy, your sebum looks so nice right now.
Well, that's a little bit weird. I'm just going to let you go on by because I'm a little bit weirded out. So go ahead. You just go on by the skin.
Well, now that I'm inside.
Oh, holy moly, the collagen's exposed. Which is going to activate factor 12 out of trouble on the frontier. And that is going to cleave prothrombin to, what do you know? There's some thrombin in town. Which is going to bind to the PAR, which of course stands for protease activated receptor on the endothelium. Also, gonna set up increased endothelial adhesion via ICAM in the capillary. Also, send out some chemokines. Also, increase release of arachidonic acid. Like, no.
So let me interrupt for just a second because this is a good place to sort of point out. How many of you can smell the chemokine? No, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, a little more? You got it? So, well, the point is that at a site of inflammation, if you're going to release a diffusible factor like a chemokine, it's going to be very intense locally. If you were trapped in an elevator with a chemokine emitting cell, then you could probably smell it. But you know, if you're not anywhere near that site, again, this localized attraction is a key spatial element in terms of what we're doing today. Sorry to interrupt. Please continue.
Also, increase arachidonic acid release, which is going to become via magic, all these things. Also, release of nitric oxide from the endothelium to kill some microbes, such as
No!
Lastly, increase platelet activating factor on the endothelium, causing coagulation in the capillaries. Those are platelets. But wait, there's more. Activating the kinin cascade, which factor X12 and X is going to leave that. And then we have calcarine, and calcarine is going to activate. Oh yeah, shoot out. And calcarine makes kinine and C5A of the complement system, but not yet. And then kinine makes bradykinin.
And causes the pain.
And now we have complement.
Did someone say compliment? That was quite the trip from the liver. Wild, wild west.
Tough territory out there, let me tell you.
I don't know if you know who I am. I'm a C3. Whoa! You caused me to spontaneously. Right in my pants. Never mind. Oh man, I'm a little parched. I could use a cold bee right about now. Oh, there it is. But who drinks a bee without opening it first?
D scissors.
Oh, thank you. Oh. And now I'm a C3B BB. otherwise known as a C3 convertase. Now what a C3 convertase is, puts post-it notes on Ryan, otherwise known as C3b. And here's the deal, Ryan. I want to be on you. I want a C3b on you. So I'm the alternative C3 convertase, but there are two others that you need to be aware of. The lectin pathway, which is initiated by mannose binding, and the classical.
Short commercial method.
So anyway, what this does causes opsonization, which makes him more tasty to the phagocytes. In fact, he's going to be getting eaten harder than Stephanie Ragaboo eating chicken. Man, this opsonization is fun. But you know what's more fun?
Making holes.
That's right. You see, the C3b can turn into the C5 convertase by taking a C3b and putting it on there. Now I'm a C3b2 BB. Hi-ya!
Now that I'm C5B, all I need is a C6B, a C7, sorry, a C6, a C7, and a C8 to recruit a bunch of C9s and make a pore to increase the lysis of the pathogen in the cell. But you know, what am I going to do with this C5A?
I don't know. What am I going to do with this C3A? With our powers combined.
We will enhance local inflammation
And recruit inflammatory cells.
Take it away.
High five. Don't forget.
So I'm the local resident sheriff, aka macrophage, and I hang out here in the tissue just hoping to land on something. Oh, I feel something here. And my fellow has made this guy so yummy. Innocent him. His last two. You can never have that. Another thing, so that makes me all excited. So I'm going to secrete some cytokines to recruit other cells, also to induce fever and inflammation. So also I secrete these lovely chemokines to attract my friends into the cell because I need help because he's too hot to handle by myself.
Well, I'm kind of lost. And this can't. Ooh, a piece of candy.
Come get in the bed.
Oh, no way. Whoa, oh, go away. Oh, no, I want the candy. Oh, this candy. Oh, wait, why am I in here now? Oh, dude, what's going on over here?
There's candy.
Well, good thing I have my candy and it's Zuraphil granules so I can beat up Ryan the pathogen. Boom, boom, boom. Not going to touch your knee.
Don't touch.
And take care of business with the resident sheriff activate.
And then also I secrete IL-12 and TNF-alpha, which activates and recruits the natural killer cell. So Ryan becomes a...
I'm a virus.
I respond to IL-12 and I secrete IFN gamma to activate the macrophage. Now, with some help of IFN alpha and beta,
IFN alpha and beta.
I'm really activating natural killer cell. I have to touch everything to see if it's clean or dirty. Those are clean. Dirty.
Oh no.
Can I kill him? Now I'm partying in the back. And I'm going to present this to
Wait a minute. But what about inflammation? Did we forget?
Con los terroristas.
interesting. So a couple of just some clarifications that I think are going to be important here. Again, Ryan flipped from being a bacterial microbe or something similar to a viral microbe. He managed to release some interferon. That would happen from an infected cell, not from the virus itself, just so we're clear on some of the details here. And NK cells generally are not great antigen-presenting cells, but
No, I changed my hat.
Oh,
I became a dendritic cell.
excuse
That's
me,
the
never mind.
party of that.
I missed the party. I was focused on the party and not the business. All right, the best mullet of the dendritic cell I've ever seen. So, all right. So again, you know, if you look at this critically and you think about how this group depicted these events, that will actually help you reconcile how you think they should have been depicted, not necessarily in your head, but in terms of what's going on in a local location, a location of inflammation.